Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be doing a quick unboxing of the brand new WorkSharp Knife and Tool Sharpener Mark II. Let's check it out. So the original WorkSharp Knife and Tool Sharpener, I guess we can call it the Mark I now, has been around for about a decade. And I've had my eyes on that for years. I just never pulled the trigger and bought one until I saw that the Mark II was coming out. And it's been available for about 2 weeks now. So before we unbox it, let's check out the front of the box here. Right there you can see the WorkSharp Sharpener, and right there you can see this is the Mark II. And then right here it does say it's new and improved, sharpen any knife shape, and that's because it has interchangeable flexible abrasive belts, as you can see right there, 20 and 25 degree angle guides. And one of the biggest improvements over the Mark I is now it has 2 speeds, and you can basically see all that information right there on the side of the box. And it does come with 6 of those flexible interchangeable abrasive belts. It comes with 2 coarse, 2 medium, and 2 fine. And then I'll give you guys a nice look at the back of the box here, and we have an illustration of what everything is right there. But that's enough of the box. Let's take this out. And all right, there we have it right there. So let's take this out of the box and put it here. And let's see what else comes in this box here. Well, here's all of our interchangeable belts. And we have a little insert on the bottom, as you can see right here. Basically goes over how you're supposed to use the brand new Mark II. And then it looks like we have some more information on the back side here. And then the last thing that's in the box here, looks like we have owner's manual. So let's take this out. Yep, just an owner's manual with a QR code. You can scan that and watch an instructional video. Then we have some warranty information right there and a few stickers. All right, so here it is, the brand new Knife and Tool Sharpener Mark II. And let's click this into place there. There we go. So what is this? It just says stop, power off with tip still supported on the belt. Basically saying when you're pulling your knife through these angled guides, you want to leave the tip of the blade right on the belt here. Don't pull it all the way through. So I'm not overly familiar with this since I never owned a Mark I, but it looks like the release for this piece right here for the belt is right here on the back side. And I think there's another stop, yep, right there. So you can angle this belt for sharpening tools such as axes, hatchets, or whatever. And I know one of the biggest improvements on this Mark II is now it has a 2-speed motor. So 1 and 2, that's high and low. And that's one of the reasons why I wanted to pull the trigger on this Mark II, was that lower speed, just so I can get a more precise grind on some of my blades. I wasn't too comfortable with only having the 1 speed on the original base model. And then right here, we also have our angle guides, and this is also new, where we can switch it between 20 degree angle and a 25 degree angle right there. So on the original Mark I, if you wanted to get those different angles, you had to remove this piece completely and put on another piece. So that's really convenient that they made this a little toggle switch right here to switch between angles. And then right here, we have the front edge guide that can actually just fold right down and right out of the way if you have more of a difficult blade to sharpen, such as, I don't know, karambits or I guess recurved blades. I'm not even sure, but I know if you need that difficult blade sharpened and you don't need this edge guide, you can just fold it right out of the way. And these interchangeable abrasive belts are just held in together with this little spring system. So let's see, if I push it down and twist it, you can just take the belt right off and then put on a more coarse belt or a more fine belt like this one. This is really nice. What is the grit on these? I actually found that information right here on the side of the box. So the green belts are P80 grits for grinding. The brown belts are P220 grits for sharpening. Those are the medium belts. And then the purple belts right here are 6000 grit for honing. Those are the fine belts. So as I said, you get 2 apiece, 6 total. So let's put this belt back on there, and all you have to do is just flip that little spring back up. Okay, there we go. And boom. And I know this is only an unboxing video, but I actually want to test out this motor real quick on camera. So let me get this set up. I'll be right back.
A few moments later.
All right, so I have it all plugged in, and if you see on the bottom here, we have these 4 rubber feet, and this feels really sturdy when it's on my desk. This thing isn't going anywhere. And right now I have it in the 2 position, so that's high. So let's just give the trigger a squeeze right here. Let's check this out. Oh, wow. Okay. And let's put it on low. Oh, that is awesome. So let me see if I can switch it on the fly while I have the trigger pushed down. Totally. Wow, that is a big difference between speeds. I really like that. All right, so I guess the next step is grabbing some dull blades and perfect how to use this thing. But that'll be for another time in my actual review of this. I just wanted to unbox and give you my first impressions on this new Mark II, and so far, I'm impressed. All right, guys, that's pretty much it for this video. What do you guys think of my unboxing of the WorkSharp Knife and Tool Sharpener Mark II? Now, I picked this up on Amazon for about 80 bucks. And if you guys want to check it out for yourself, I will have links below in my description box. So just give me a little bit more time with this, and I'm sure I'll be back with a review on it in no time. But if you guys did enjoy this video, please give me that thumbs up. Please subscribe. And go!